Hello guys, welcome to another video. On the last few years, some issues with the electronics here of the Alfas 159, Brera and Spider, the 939 models. We have seen over here on the cluster, for example, the ref counter needle not working correctly all of the time, or sometimes does not even work at all, and other times it works perfectly. So today I will explain you how to remove and how to assemble here the cluster to be sent to the specialist to be repaired. So first things first, let's create some space. So pull here the lever for the steering wheel all the way down and towards you. So in this way creates a lot of space over here, okay? The next thing is to remove here the cover that he has here on the top side. This is held together only with clips, metal clips, okay? So you want to do is to, with a pry bar, remove the cover. The best thing to do is to use a plastic one. I do not have that. But if you know where are the clips, you can remove it with fairly ease. So knowing where the clips are, it's much easier to remove it. Okay. Now you only have two screws. We have one over there. Remember that it is aligned with the speedometer needle, for example. And over here on the RPM counter, it is also aligned, yes, with the RPM needle. So no other screws to be visible, but if you are in the dark, for example, you just want to feel it with your finger, you have here this tip. So 3mm X screw, just by hand, okay? No need for any more tools. Just remove it. The other side as well. And now you want to walk the cluster. That's right, you want to make it walk. So on the top side, you want to, the first thing you have to do is to force it a bit on the top side, okay, and now on the lower side, and then make it walk, okay, like so. Wait. And now here we have it. Now push there on the tab over there, and while you are pushing on the tab, pull the lever, the right lever, and in that way the connector is off. And do the same with this other one connector. Ta-da! So here it is, all repaired and ready to go in. So don't forget the plugs, the connectors. Just slide it in, push down as you are turning here the lever. Now on the lower side, put it in place, and on the top side you just push in. Okay, here we have it. Before carry on the assembly, make sure everything works. Now just put the two screws back in and put the cover in. Down on the description you have a lot more stuff that can be useful for you about everything electric on cars, brakes, crank no start, low power, and so much stuff, okay? Really a lot of stuff that can be useful for you. Also down on the description you have links for helps for the channel if you are able to do so. I see you next time, guys. Bye!